Hello viewers, good morning. My name is Subbarao. My channel name is subbaraogv. After a short gap, I came back. I glad to tell you that from this week onwards, I am going to upload Wondershare Filmora9 video editing episodes around 10 to 15. These may be useful for the persons who are dealing with video editing, particularly for beginners. This Wonderland Filmora, very simple one, easy to work. More than that, elegant, and also hassle-free one. The thing is, you download it from official website. Utilize trial period. Then go for full version. Don't go for crack, because it will not give you all commands, options, and also it is not correct. I want to tell you one thing, I am not full-time YouTuber, only part-time. Subscribe my channel, like, share, and don't hesitate to comment. Thank you.